All people, I warning to my views, to my all YouTube platform and TikTok, YouTube to my speech na ginagamit yung video ko at sinishare nyo at pinagkakitaan nyo ng pera tapos naglalike kayo at nagko-comment, hindi na kayo makakalis dyan. Because our people to record to me in my page is yung harassing and all what happened to me. I abandoned life in the Philippines, all what happened. This the politician is never to me. Mamamatay kayo dito. Because I am spiritual to the earth's connection or what happened to the World War III. Sa end time of the Christ is my possession. Ako ang nag-rule ngayon. Hindi kung sino-sino mga element na naglalabasan dito ay conquered our Jesus Christ going. No, this is not a fraud to you. Because hindi naman kumikita ng pera kahit piso sa akin lahat ng platform. Wala, di ba? Pera at sweldo ko sa trabaho ko ang ginagamit ko online for sacrifice. You're not.